Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Barrett with your business updates for today. Jamaica's unemployment rate has fallen slightly to 3.6% from 3.7%, but new data show the decline was not driven by more people getting jobs. Data from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, show the labor force declined by nearly 33,000 persons to just over 1.4 million between January 4 and 11 this year. At the same time, total employment fell by 30,100 persons compared to January 2025, with just under 1.3 million people. Deputy Director General and Director of the Surveys Division, Natalie Simpson, explained that the drop in unemployment is largely because the labor force shrank.
When you look at the difference between the 3.6 and the 3.7 for the previous quarter of 2025, it is really not statistically significant, for one. And then two, because the unemployment rate is impacted by both the number of persons unemployed and the size of the labor force, it is the reason why persons are not encouraged to only use the unemployment rate as even though it is the main indicator for the labor force. You have to look at the numbers. So when you look at the difference between the 3.6 and the 3.7, it is more about a contraction of the labor force than it is about the size of the unemployed.
The number of unemployed persons declined by about 3,000, but nearly 33,000 people left the labor force, increasing to 714,000 people. These are persons who are neither working nor actively seeking employment. Young people aged 15 to 24 accounted for a large share of those exiting, with more males than females stepping away. The impact was even more pronounced in parishes affected by Hurricane Melissa, including St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, St. James, Hanover, and Trelawney. Statin's Executive Director, Lisha Delatibudier, explained that the data does not fully capture the reasons behind these shifts.
We fielded an abridged questionnaire in these particular parishes because, of course, for many reasons. We have persons who are still recovering mentally, psychosocially, as well as there is impact on our staff and mobility. And because we did not field the full questionnaire, then the details around the reasons for being outside the labor force was not captured in this particular labor force survey for those parishes.
By industry, the largest declines were recorded in accommodation and food services, real estate, and other business activities. They were speaking at Statin's recent quarterly press briefing on Tuesday. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Barrett.